everyone! Welcome back to the English speaking course. I'm Emily.
And I'm George.
Congratulations on reaching episode 5! You've already learned how to introduce yourself, hold everyday conversations, and describe your daily routine. Today, we're going to learn something even more practical. We're going to learn how to make plans, invite people, accept invitations politely, and decline them without sounding rude. These are conversations you'll use with friends, classmates, colleagues, and even during business situations. Let's begin.
When you want to suggest an activity, don't always say, "Let's go." There are many more natural expressions. Repeat after me. How about going to the cinema this weekend? Would you like to grab some coffee after class? Why don't we meet after work? We could have lunch together tomorrow. What do you think about visiting the new cafe? Excellent.
Notice that these expressions sound more polite and conversational. Native speakers use them every day. Let's practice once more. Would you like to join me for dinner? How about taking a walk this evening? Why don't we study together this weekend? Great job!
Hi, George. Are you free this Saturday?
Yes, I think so. Why do you ask?
I was thinking about visiting the new science museum. Would you like to come with me?
That sounds like a great idea. I've heard it's really interesting. What time were you planning to go?
Around 10 in the morning. Does that work for you?
Absolutely. Let's meet at the main entrance. Sometimes saying only yes sounds too short. Let's learn better responses. Repeat after me. I'd love to. That sounds wonderful. I'd be happy to join you. Count me in. That would be great. I'm looking forward to it. Excellent.
Would you like to come to my birthday dinner on Friday?
I'd love to. Thank you for inviting me. What time does it start?
We'll begin around 7. I'm sure everyone will enjoy meeting you.
I'm really looking forward to it.
In English, it's important to refuse invitations politely. Instead of simply saying no, use complete, respectful sentences. Repeat after me. I'd love to, but I already have plans. I'm afraid I won't be able to make it. That sounds great, but I have to work late. Maybe another time. Thank you for inviting me. I really appreciate it. Wonderful.
Emily, would you like to join us for dinner tonight?
I'd really love to, but I have an important meeting this evening. Maybe we can do it another day.
Of course. No problem at all. Let me know whenever you're free.
Thank you for understanding. I appreciate it.
Here's an important tip. When someone invites you somewhere, always respond positively first. For example, I'd love to, but instead of, no, I can't. It sounds much more polite.
Now let's learn to talk about future arrangements. Repeat after me. I'm planning to travel next month. I'm thinking about taking an English course. I'm hoping to improve my speaking skills. I'm going to visit my grandparents this weekend. I haven't decided yet. We'll see how things go. Excellent.
Do you have any plans for the holidays?
Yes, I'm planning to spend a few days in the mountains. I need a short break after a busy month. What about you?
I'm thinking about staying at home and finishing a few online courses. I'd also like to spend more time reading.
That sounds like a productive holiday. Let's learn some expressions that fluent speakers use. Repeat after me. That sounds like a fantastic idea. I couldn't agree more. To be honest, as far as I'm concerned, if everything goes according to plan, I'll let you know. Keep me posted. Sounds good to me. Perfect. Hi, George. Do you have anything planned for this weekend?
Not yet. I was actually hoping to do something different. Do you have any suggestions?
How about going hiking on Saturday morning? The weather forecast looks perfect.
I love that. I've been meaning to spend more time outdoors. Should we invite a few friends as well?
That's a great idea. The more, the merrier. I'll create a group chat later today.
Perfect. Just let me know what time we're leaving. Now it's your turn. Speak for 90 seconds. Imagine you're inviting your best friend somewhere. Talk about where you want to go, why you want to go, when you'd like to meet, what you plan to do, and how your friend responds. Try to use today's expressions naturally. Don't stop speaking. If you forget a word, explain it differently. That's exactly what fluent speakers do. Fantastic! Here's today's fluency tip. Don't try to translate every sentence from your native language. Instead, think in English. Even if your sentences are simple, thinking directly in English will make you speak faster and more naturally over time.
Today, you've learned how to make polite invitations, accept and decline invitations naturally, discuss future plans, express opinions politely, sound more confident in everyday conversations, speak for longer without memorizing sentences. Excellent work! You've completed another important step in your English speaking journey. Keep practicing these conversations until they feel natural. Fluency doesn't come from knowing more words, it comes from using them confidently. In episode 6, we'll learn how to express opinions, agree and disagree politely, and discuss everyday topics with confidence, helping you sound even more natural in conversations. Thank you for learning with us. We'll see you in episode 6. Until then, keep practicing, stay curious, and never stop speaking English. Goodbye, everyone. Bye.